Hi friends, today we are making a quick Vietnamese lemongrass chicken sauté, inspired by the bright, savory flavors of home-style Vietnamese cooking. It is practical, fast, and full of caramelized edges, fresh herbs, and lime. This recipe makes 4 servings and takes about 25 minutes from start to finish. Let's walk through the ingredients. 1 pound boneless skinless chicken thighs are the quick, juicy base for this sauté. Thighs stay tender over high heat and absorb the lemongrass sauce beautifully. 2 stalks lemongrass bring the signature Vietnamese citrusy aroma. Use only the pale, tender inner part so the texture stays pleasant. 3 cloves garlic add savory depth right away. Minced garlic melts into the sauce and helps the chicken taste fuller. 1 small shallot gives sweetness and a gentle onion flavor. Thin slices soften quickly, which keeps the whole recipe fast. 1 red Fresno chili adds fresh heat and color. Slice it thinly so the warmth spreads through the pan without overpowering the chicken. 2 tablespoons fish sauce create the deep salty backbone. This is what gives the sauté that unmistakable Vietnamese savory punch. 1 tablespoon soy sauce rounds out the seasoning. It adds color and a softer salty note alongside the fish sauce. 1 tablespoon sugar balances the salt and helps the chicken caramelize. That tiny sweetness is key for glossy edges in the skillet. 1/4 teaspoon ground turmeric gives a golden color and gentle earthiness. A little goes a long way here. 2 tablespoons neutral oil help the aromatics bloom and let the chicken sear instead of steam. Use an oil that can handle medium-high heat. 2 scallions bring a fresh green finish. Cut them into short pieces so they stay crisp and visible in the sauté. 1/2 cup fresh cilantro leaves adds a bright herbal lift at the end. Add it off the heat so the leaves stay lively. 1 lime finishes the dish with brightness. A quick squeeze wakes up the fish sauce, lemongrass, and chili. We begin the preparation by slicing 1 pound boneless skinless chicken thighs into thin bite-sized strips. Thin pieces cook quickly and give us more surface area for the sauce to cling to. Now that the chicken is ready, trim 2 stalks lemongrass down to the pale tender centers, then mince those centers very finely. This keeps the aroma strong and the texture delicate. Next, mince 3 cloves garlic, thinly slice 1 small shallot, and thinly slice 1 red Fresno chili. Keeping the cuts small helps everything soften in under a minute. For the fresh finish, cut 2 scallions into 1-inch pieces, pick 1/2 cup fresh cilantro leaves, and cut 1 lime into 4 wedges. Set these aside because they go in at the end. Now we make the fast seasoning sauce. In a bowl, stir together 2 tablespoons fish sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon ground turmeric until the sugar starts to dissolve. Add the sliced chicken to the sauce, along with the minced lemongrass and 3 minced garlic cloves. Toss well, then let it rest for 10 minutes so the flavor soaks in while staying quick. Once the chicken has rested, set a 12-inch skillet over medium-high heat for 1 minute. Add 2 tablespoons neutral oil and swirl so the bottom is lightly coated. Add the sliced shallot and sliced red Fresno chili to the hot oil. Sauté for 45 seconds, just until fragrant and slightly softened. Now add the marinated chicken to the skillet, scraping in all the lemongrass and sauce. Spread the pieces into 1 even layer so they can sear instead of pile up. Let the chicken cook undisturbed for 2 minutes. This short sear helps the sugar caramelize and gives the edges a little color. After that first sear, stir-fry the chicken for 4 to 5 minutes. Keep it moving until the sauce turns glossy, the chicken is no longer pink in the center, and it reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit if you check it. Add the 2 scallions, cut into 1-inch pieces, and sauté for 30 seconds. They should turn bright green but still keep a little crunch. Turn off the heat, fold in 1/2 cup fresh cilantro leaves, and squeeze 2 lime wedges over the skillet. Give it 1 final stir, let it rest for 1 minute, and the cooking is finished. And there it is, a quick Vietnamese lemongrass chicken sauté that is juicy, fragrant, and practical enough for a busy night. It delivers the bright, savory flavor we promised in just 25 minutes, and it is perfect with rice, noodles, or crisp lettuce. If you enjoyed this easy Vietnamese recipe, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more simple home cooking.